In this video, I'm going to show you how to create glitter text in Picmonkey. EmancipationOccupation.com. This is my blog. If you're wanting to learn new tricks and tips to make money online, come check me out. Subscribe to my YouTube. Now let's get into this video. As promised, I told you that I am going to make a video on how to create the glittery text, sparkle text, whatever you want to call it, in Picmonkey. You don't need Photoshop. You don't need a paid platform. GIMP is also a good platform to do things on, but let's just show you how to do this with Picmonkey. Picmonkey is one of my favorite tools that I use. I use it a lot because I have a blog with, of course, what you just saw, and I use a lot of graphics and stuff, very into Pinterest and Facebook marketing and stuff as well. So I got to know how to do a lot of things with graphics. Now, let me go ahead and create my canvas size. If you didn't see what I did, I hit design, then I hit custom size. And just for this example, I'm going to make a canvas size of 1000 by 1000. Let's go ahead and click make it. All right. So as this thing loads very quickly, I'm going to add some text and stuff. We're going to say, I don't know what we're going to say yet, but generally you want to make something look very nice. We're just going to use a couple of different texts. You want to use a nice fat text, something really chunky and bold. And we're going to say, funky text. Now, I'm going to bring this up here. I'm going to blow this up. I may want to make this a little bit bigger. That might be too big. Let's center this text a little bit so that I can have a little bit more space to make it bigger. Okay, just a tad bit too big right there. Funky text. Now I'm going to choose something small. Hey, why's my name in here? It's kind of weird. I don't know how I feel about that. Then funky text now using glitter effect. Can't even spell, guys. I'm going to bring this here. The size of this text is fine to me. Then I'm going to click off. We're going to do another text with the same font, with the big fat chunk 5 font. And then, let's see. Funky text now using glitter effect. Picmonkey. Center that again. We're just setting the stage here, guys. Getting the text in here first. Picmonkey. And I'm going to find another funky font here somewhere. Let's just go ahead and choose this one. Click off and then pick another one. We're going to drag this down here. I haven't seen any other black males do anything in Picmonkey with videos on YouTube. What's up with that, ladies? What's up with that? And tutorial. Yeah. Definitely got to blow that up a little bit bigger. Click off and click on. Okay. That's the hard part. So, obviously, you want to make your canvas size. You want to adjust it to what your text is going to be. The bigger the letters, you want to kind of play around with the layout a little bit more. For the sake of this, example, I'm just doing a very quick little thing with you guys so that you can see what's possible. Sky is the limit. So now we're going to add the glitter effect to these letters. And the way that we do that, you click off the canvas. Then we're going to go to the little butterfly to the left, hit add your own, and we're going to my computer. And the reason we're doing this is because I'm finding a glitter effect that I found on Google. There may be some type of effects and stuff that you want to use, or different pictures that you want to use within Picmonkey, and that's fine. You would do the same thing. You would just skip the part where it says add your own and find your own little graphic. So mine got too many folders up in here. Bang. Agora, that's the name of one of my companies. I have multiple companies. And we're going to use this glitter effect. Boom. Not the effect, I'm sorry. It was a graphic that I have. So we're going to make this the size covering our letters. I'll make it a little bit bigger. And this can go for any type of effect that you want to make. It may not be a golden sparkly thing or glittery thing. You maybe just want to use a background of like a beach or ocean water. Ocean, that would actually be kind of cool. I'll show you that in a second here. So you click the picture, then here in blend modes, you're going to click that. And if you scroll down, you'll see add, and you'll also see lighten. They kind of do the same thing, but for this one, we're just going to click add. Boom. There's your glitter effect. Looks pretty dope. Like I told you earlier, you want to play around with the layout of your letters and stuff because of the fact that there's so much white space in here. Let me see if I can actually crop this. I believe I can crop this. Boom. Looks that much better already. We're going to export this. We're going to call it a glitter test. Export to my computer any moment now. I just have it as glitter test. I'm going to save that. Now I'm going to go back to my folder. And here it is. Funky text now using glitter effect. Picmonkey tutorial. It looks pretty dope to me. How about you guys? Now imagine if you had something with a different color and stuff. You gotta play around with it. But I told you guys maybe you want to use a different type of background. Let's go ahead and try something. I will try a sunset, ocean sunset. These look pretty nice, Hit images so that you don't get in trouble for well, actually, it's really hard to get in trouble for copyright. But since I brought it up, if you're doing any other type of pictures, you don't want to get in trouble for having the whole picture and you don't own a copyright. Something you can do once you hit images in Google, you hit usage rights and you select label for non-commercial reuse. You can even use this one, reuse with modification. Any picture that comes up under there does not have any copyright. So that's what we're going to do right now. And I don't know. We'll see. We'll try this one. This one seems pretty dope. Copy this joint. We're going to go back to Picmonkey. I'm going to delete that background. Let me move my picture again. I'm going to go back to the butterfly. Add your own. My computer. We're going to select the ocean sunset. It's probably going to be huge. Oh, okay, cool. And then move this up a little bit. Like I said, you're going to click on the picture again, go to blend modes, add. That looks pretty dope. I kind of like it a little bit. See if we play around with it a little bit. Let's bring this back down. I like this right here. We're going to save this. Well, we're not going to save it. You can save it, and it puts it in a place called the hub once you save it so that you can go back and edit it later if you want to. But I'm not saving this. I'm going to export this. These are different quality of what you want the pictures to be. But I'm choosing the highest quality. I'm going to do export to computer. Texts with sunset background. Boom. Now let's go back and see how this looks. Pretty dope. So that was pretty easy, guys. I just did 2 backgrounds for you. I did the glittery, some people call it sparkle effect, glitter letters, whatever you want to call it. I also just did a ocean sunset background for you guys with your letters. You can transform anything with your letters with this. You just got to play around with it. So hopefully you learned a couple of different things. Again, my name is Antonio, emancipatiooccupation.com. Put this in your repertoire of your bag of tricks. Subscribe to my YouTube channel below. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you thought about this. If you have any other cool tricks or recommendations or questions, give me a shout. Check out my link if you don't have Picmonkey. Check that out in the description below. Plus everything else. I have a lot of free content, free things for you guys down there as well. See you later.